Just when people thought Thuli Pongolle might be fixing things with DJ Maphorisa, she flipped at the script completely. The media personality recently shared a breathtaking vacation photos captioned, "Somewhere in the Palms," showing off luxury yacht rides, poolside lounging, glamorous dinners, and champagne moments. But it wasn't just the soft life that grabbed attention. A young man appeared in some of her pictures, sparked instant debate rumors, with social media users convinced she had moved on. However, others were quick to defend her, claiming the mystery man is actually her younger brother and that the internet may have jumped to conclusions. With fans still talking about her recent nightclub appearance alongside DJ Maphorisa, the timing of this getaway has only added more fuel to the speculation. Whether it's a new romance, a family time, or simply a well-deserved break, one thing is certain, Thuli knows how to trend without saying a word. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please do consider commenting your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.